Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install IntelliJ IDEA IDE, the development environment for Java programming. So for that, just go to on your browser and you can just search download IntelliJ IDEA. So you will get multiple response into that. So just go to some reply or the result which actually coming from jetbrains.com like this. So click on this menu and it will land on a download page of IntelliJ IDEA. So on this page there's a download section. You can see this page is showing the download for Windows, Mac and Linux. So I'm going to show you example how to download and set up on a Windows computer. So this is my example, otherwise I can change from here also. Okay, so on this Windows section again, you can see there are two options, Ultimate and Community. So this Ultimate edition is paid version. It is an enterprise version. So if you want to purchase it, or if you already have purchased, so you can download the enterprise version from here. Otherwise you can go for the Community edition. So this is not chargeable, so it is free of cost for you, so you can use it for your development purpose. So for the Ultimate one, if you still wanted to try the Ultimate one without paying anything, so yeah, it is also possible. So IntelliJ IDEA providing you 30 days trial for the Ultimate. So you can download and you can use it for 30 days. So here I'm going to show you the Community edition example. So I will download this Community edition. So this link will download the exe file for the Community edition. So I have already downloaded for you. So this is the file which I have downloaded from the same link, and this is the for the Community edition. So the next thing is how to install it. So it's very simple. It's the exe file. So simply you can double click on this setup file and it will start installing on your computer. So just wait. So it will show you some option. So this is what for the security, the Windows is asking to allow the setup. Press yes. And here's the wizard. So it will ask some few questions. So here it is a welcome screen, nothing to do. Simply click on next. On this screen it will asking you the location, the path where exactly you wanted to install. So by default it will install you in your computer at the program files folder with the JetBrains subfolder. And if you want to change, you can change from the browse button. So I'm keeping it as it is and going on the next. So here it is asking some more question, like if you want to create a shortcut on desktop. So I'm clicking yes. It will ask you like to map this software with some other extension. So for now this setting I'm just skipping. I'm not doing those changes, but as per your need you can change it. So this one is just asking by which name it will add in the start menu. So JetBrains, the name that you can get it in your start menu. So I'm not doing any change, simply clicking install, and here the installation has started. You can click on this show details to see the file was progress. So these are the file which is actually extracting and installing in your computer. So it takes some time, it depends on your computer performance. Hardly it will take like max to max 1 minute. Okay, so it's going fast now. Go. Okay, few more files. Now come on, these DLL files. Okay, that's it. So now the setup is done, and this is the final screen. So it is having a finish button. If you want to immediately start, you can check this button. So once you press finish button, it will start the application. So I'm not going to start from here. I will show you from the desktop. So I'm not checking it, simply pressing this finish. So setup is done, and if you go on your desktop, you will see one icon, IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. If you're not getting this icon, you can click on start menu, and from there you can find this IntelliJ IDEA. You can type also for search, so you can get the software here also. So clicking over here or maybe on the desktop icon, it will start the application. So this is the first time that I am starting the IntelliJ IDEA. So yeah, so this is the first page of IntelliJ IDEA, and now this IDEA software is ready for the Java programming. So that's it for this video. And so if you have any question or doubts, so please type in the comment section and I will reply back to you. Thanks a lot.